Today we will see how to create a project in Android Studio. Open Android Studio. Click on the new project option. Then we will select an empty views activity and then we click next. Here in the project name we will type application demo, and in the build configuration language we will choose Groovy DSL as build.gradle and we will click on finish. We will wait for the project to load. We will click on the device manager and then we will start the virtual machine. We will wait for the virtual machine to launch. Here we will see the loading bar of the virtual machine. Once the virtual machine is loaded, we will click on the run button. Here is the XML file, and here you can see XML file and the code. So currently is the default Hello World application. So we will see if this application is working on our screen. Here in the left bottom you will see the build tab where you see the total application running and the task it is performing. So it almost took 1 minute 7 seconds to build the project. So here you can see the Hello World project. Now if you want to make some many changes in this project, so like instead of Hello World I will like to choose only Hello, and now you can see the demo of the UI here. Now we want to change the text size to 40 dp. So the UI is shown here as a demo, but when we hit on the run app icon, it will recompile the app and it will show the output on the emulator. Okay, the changes we have made in the project is visible on the screen. This was all about making the first project and running it.